My day was going as usual till I received this gift. Everything changed. I've used paper for paintings my entire life till today. It's a great feeling of touching a canvas. Maybe it sounds too silly because it's just a canvas, but I think enjoying every little moment in your life makes a life alive. Sometimes we ignore the things that is just always with us that we should thankful for, but we never see them. And to show some gratitude and thankfulness, I'm painting something special for me and for my family. The background is blue. My first fountain pen was gifted by my big brother from his first salary, and the ink was blue. As I don't want to add the pen, otherwise the painting will look like a trash, so I just simply added the color. It's a hydrangea that represents family. And what's pink? Pink is the color of gratitude and thankfulness. If you count the left side, there's 7. It counts to my family member. We're 7. And when you count to the right, the 2, my sister-in-law and the nephew. I didn't put this just because it's so pretty. This was gifted by my big sister 4 years back, and I still keep it even though it's broken. It holds this strong emotion in me, and now it's immortal. I'm lucky that it's already pink, otherwise, I would change it. There are 9 holes on the vase. We all together are 9. Now that is special to me, but it's my amazing. While putting all my emotions and love onto the canvas, how could I forget about the queens of my heart? Here are some pictures of them.
I'm still goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. Now you're in the stars and 6 feet's never felt so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and...
They're the ones I could never be able to forget. They are my core memories. And Lovey was also my studio buddy. She used to join me while I'm working, and now they are all gone. And I miss them so much. Rest in peace, sweethearts. So basically, yeah, those 3 petals are M, which are fallen. Blue, green, brown, and white. This whole color combination represents a family. Sometimes art is not just about the composition, colors, hues, and other technical stuff. Sometimes it's all about the feeling and emotions. The feeling when you're fighting with your siblings, the feeling of giving gifts to your loved ones, the feeling when your pet sleeps in your arms, the feeling of seeing them waiting for you whenever you go out, the feeling when you see their little black sparkly eyes filled with love for you, the feeling when they wait before bathroom doors to you to come out, or when you receive something special.